Hey guys, Reg Outdoors here, another dog-proof coon trap video. Looks like we got another critter here next to the Waterhole. It's a beautiful spring day here, soon to be spring day. Deer food plots coming up nicely. Hopefully some over comes in if we can continue to get some rain. I'm gonna flip my camera around here and show you guys what we got. Not trying to be a dead horse here. Here's a Waterhole. Haven't got any rain for quite some time. Like I said, this is pretty much the only area in the woods that does hold water. Besides the creek bed, but it's pretty well dried up at the moment. And this little guy decided to come check out dog-proof coon trap. Really nice size. Not happy at all. But he's been stealing my bait for a couple of days now. I don't know how he was doing it. He was reaching down in there and grabbing the dog food and such, but I decided to clean the trap a little bit, and looks like it went off and it worked. So let's get him taken care of, and I'll show you my new set. Got that raccoon taken care of. She was probably a 30-pound sow, no joke. She was huge. But let me flip the camera around, show you guys. So still doing the Waterhole set. I'm gonna zoom out here. Put the golf ball back on the trap. Went ahead and set it off camera. So I got dog food. And something my buddy traps with, who has a lot more experience than I do, he uses licorice. So that's licorice I've cut into smaller pieces. There's also a couple pieces of licorice as well as dog food down in the trap. And I just made a little dog food trail here, a couple pieces of licorice, and also threw some licorice and some dog food up here as well. So hopefully that'll do the trick. A lot of you guys are commenting on my YouTube post saying, why do you have to kill these animals? Why are you doing this? If I have a raccoon problem, I just build a fence around my house. Well, this isn't my house, you guys. There's no houses around. This is a 15-acre woods. The wildlife in this woods has never been managed. Like I said, I'm doing this for the deer purposes. I've had pictures in the past. There's 9, 10, 11 raccoons in my pile of deer corn while I'm trying to feed the herd through the winter and trying to keep the deer healthy and alive. Just like anything, needs managed. This woods has never been trapped. It's never been hunted other than deer. So the raccoons are plentiful, and you guys have seen that through my videos. So hopefully that answered your guys' question. If you guys have any more specific questions, feel free to comment down below. I'd be more than happy to answer those for you. So that's going to be it for today, guys. If you have any questions, like I said, whether it's trapping related, wildlife related, just anything in general, even about my life, feel free to, ask below. Leave some comments. I love seeing questions. I love, interacting with you guys and helping you in any way that I can. So anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you want to continue to follow along on my future content, we're going to continue trapping and doing the things that I've done in the past. If you guys want to watch some of my previous videos, click on my page, hit subscribe, look at my feed, and look at some of my past videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Appreciate all my subscribers out there, my viewers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.